Hi there. My name is Dr. Christina Campbell. I'm a functional regenerative medicine physician, and I've been practicing medicine for a little over 20 years. Anyway, I want to talk to you a little bit about why functional medicine. What is it that functional medicine offers that you're not finding in the standard Western medicine model? So, what is functional medicine? Functional medicine is the practice of biochemistry and science brought down to the cellular level. So rather than um, learning a group of symptoms and then diagnosing that group of symptoms with a diagnosis and then handing a prescription for a couple of medications, and which really the medications, they may help for a time, but they help by covering up the symptoms of the disease. They do not actually address the root cause of disease. So in functional medicine, our whole goal is to get down to what actually was the trigger, what actually is the biological process that is not running smoothly, and how can we get that to run smoothly so that the body can heal itself and the body can then improve its wellness level. So it's kind of it's really more of a healthcare model rather than a sick care model. And unfortunately, in the standard Western model, sick care is chronic disease, and it is they're there just don't seem to be a lot of really great answers to those who have chronic illnesses, and particularly autoimmune diseases like Crohn's and ulcerative colitis. So why functional medicine? Because we actually reverse the root cause of the problem. And just like anything else, if you think about your car engine, and maybe you've emptied out your oil and you never refilled it, and now your car doesn't run right. It won't run very smoothly. It might overheat. There may be a lot of issues. You take it in and they never fill the oil. They just fix all the problems that came from not having oil. Can you imagine that your car would still not work correctly when you left that when you took it home? If you could even get it to come home, right? It's the same kind of concept. So underneath all of this, if you can't get to the root cause and fix the problem that's causing all the other problems that are causing the symptoms, then you can't fix the disease. You can't make any improvements overall. And very often what happens is when you never fix the root cause, that stays there and festers while other things begin to spiral out of control. So you get that first diagnosis, that first medication, but you still haven't fixed the problem. And then down the road, a couple of years, you have another problem comes up and another medication and another problem and another medication. And pretty soon you're 10 years down the road and you're on 20 medications and wondering why you don't feel well. Well, let me tell you, if you don't fix the root cause, you're never going to get there. So that is why functional medicine, that is the answer to why do you want to see a functional medicine practitioner. That's why. To get to that root cause of the problem.